Now, while we wait for this to dry, we can mix up our finish coats. We're going to go back to our mixing station. I can continue to use this same roller, but because it has a lot of primer in it, which is mostly water, I'm going to blot that out. So now it's ready for my finish coats. So I'm just going to leave that there. My finish coats, I started with 60, took 10 out. I have 50 left. What I'm going to do is add 50 milliliters of water to this to now make 100 milliliters of finish coat. Now it's good practice to keep an eye on the time. Note the time when you first started mixing this. I have my stopwatch, so we're about 25 minutes in, roughly. So that means I have 35 minutes to use this up. I have plenty of material in here. I should be able to easily get 1, if not 2 finish coats on this piece. For a bathroom sink, minimum 3 coats. I always do 4, just to make sure that there's no question about performance. Same thing for a kitchen, 4 coats. If you're doing something that has very light duty, maybe a small end table, do 2, minimum of 2. But for bathrooms or kitchens, do 4. You can use Omega in wet areas, shower panels, shower features, things like that, obviously inside a sink, inside tubs. It'll work outside, it does not yellow. It stands up to weather beautifully, doesn't care about freezing. So I've got my 100 milliliters here. I'm going to dump this out. I'm done with the primer. And now that's my finish coat.